Hello friends, welcome back to my memory channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make clock in Python. So let's see how does it work. I'll go to command prompt and then type pgz run space and I'll drag and drop the clock.py app and then I will press enter. And here we go, it's working like this. Now I will tell you how to make it. First, press Ctrl N and cross the other Python window. Over here, we should type import time, enter from enter import and a star. Press enter again and type root is equal to t k brackets. Press enter twice again and type root dot geometry brackets double quotes 359 into 150 plus 0 plus 0 and then press enter twice. Root dot configure background is equal to black. Root dot configure brackets background double quotes, and before double quotes you need to enter the equal sign. Then in double quotes type black. Then press enter. Root dot resizable brackets 0 comma space 0. Sorry, there's no space. Press enter twice again. Root dot override redirect. Root dot override redirect brackets 1, enter twice, and then type def start brackets and colon. Press enter and you will have this space because that is called an indent, and when you have diff and like any word like start and then brackets and colon, you'll get an indent. So after that, after def start brackets colon, type text is equal to time dot strf time brackets double quotes percentage symbol h colon percentage symbol and then minutes for m and then colon percentage s for seconds, and then label.config text is equal to text, and then label after label dot after brackets 200 comma start, then press enter twice and click backspace so that the indent is not there, and then type label is equal to capital L and label root comma font is equal to brackets double quotes DS Digital, and then comma 50 comma single quotes bold, and then comma BG is equal to black. BG means background. Space comma, oh man, sorry, yeah, space comma FG is equal to single quotes red. FG means foreground, and space comma BD is equal to 50. Press enter. Label.grid brackets row is equal to 0 comma column is equal to 1. then press enter. Start brackets, press enter. Print brackets, double quotes, done. Then press enter. Then type the last sentence, which is root dot main loop brackets. So Control S. I will save it as virtual clock. And then I will open command prompt. And type pgz run space, and I will drag and drop virtualclock.py from my libraries file and press enter. Here we go, the clock's working. So thank you friends. Please subscribe, like and share this video, and please subscribe to our channel.